This is what it looked like in the beginning. This is what it looks like now.
Yeah. You can find me on the cliffside. All they do is overlook me. Yeah, if things don't pan out, keep it cooking. You're not a fan, but you keep on looking. Look, don't be concerned with what people saying. Be concerned when they don't care to say it. Funny how people will act like they know you, but they don't even got a clue what they're saying. Don't compare me to people who don't compare.
What is up, everybody? Guys, I feel crazy right now. So, you're gonna be watching this video Wednesday. This is all over the place. So, I'm recording my third intro today for a third video. You guys will watch the headlight build. It's going on. You're gonna be watching that Fridays. Stay tuned for that. Right now, what we're going to be doing is fixing this fender right here. This fender has looked disgusting for quite a few months now, and I'm going to be trying to fix that. So, I say that so much. I'd say so, and guys, and light, and alright, a lot. Find out a lot of things about yourself doing this. What I'm going to be doing now, as you can tell, the headlights are out of the truck, the grill is out of the truck. That is to save me some prep work. So what I'm doing is, I'm building the headlights right now. So the headlights are out, they're getting built, but besides the headlights, the grill was in here, and instead of trying to tape off the whole grill, I just took the grill out. It was super simple. I just unbolted my pods, took the grill out. Now all I need to do, tape off this fender. I'm probably going to take a trash bag and put it over that, tape it up. Then I'm going to take like a trash bag, or probably like 3 trash bags because I have 35s. I'm going to cover the tire and rim. I'm then going to be taping off this door, the windshield, probably take off this antenna. That's easier to take off. Tape off the hood. You want to get anything that could possibly get overspray. I'm just spraying clear, so it's not really anything major. I'm going to be spraying a little bit of color. If I ever get down to the metal, I'm trying not to. But really, I shouldn't have to worry about too much. I'm going to move my girlfriend's car out of the way. You want to try and make sure you get anything out of the distance, because this is 2K clear coat. This is a big time like clear. Whatever this lands on, it is staying on. It's not going to be like normal spray paint that can fade. First thing you want to do is wash the surface. Alright guys, so this is most likely not going to be your last time washing the fender. So leave your soap bucket and water over here ready, because once you get this all sanded down and ready to be painted, you want to wash it one more time. Make sure you get any contaminants off it. So right now what you need to do is get a washcloth or a microfiber. Get like a microfiber or some type of towel to dry this off with. Guys, I'm not a professional painter. This is something I have been wanting to try for a while from watching on YouTube. This is going to be a DIY product or project at home. Alright, so let me give you a quick update. No, this is not how it's going to be permanently taped off. I started taping everything off, and then I realized I don't have any tape and drape, so I'm going to have to go buy some. But I got the canopy set up because the fender was getting hot while I was sanding it. I just have things covered so I don't scratch anything else that I don't want sanded. But this is the progress I'm at. If you remember, there was a sticker right across here. It's peeled all apart on the ground right now. I am in the process of getting this fixed. This is just about smooth. Over here is smooth. From what I know online, you're supposed to get it to where it's smooth, and I've just watched videos on YouTube of how to do this. You want to get this nice and smooth to where you can't feel it anymore. And then you want to go over with a base coat and just spray everything down and get it one even color again, and then go over with the clear. And I'm using 400 grit sandpaper to get this smooth, and I'm going to go back over with 1500 and completely smooth it. And if I was doing this to be a permanent fix, I would Bondo these and cover them up. But guys, I plan on getting the truck painted. and there's no sense in putting all that work into it when I can just pay a body shop to do it. This is just to get this to look better for until I can get it painted. But I just wanted to give you guys an update on what I'm doing with the truck. One more update, guys, and you hear the car running in the background. I'm getting ready to head to Home Depot. I'm gonna pick up some tape and drape. I'm gonna pick up a tack cloth and a little bit more painter's tape. I'm not a painter by no means, but I'm trying. It's DIY stuff, so I keep saying so. I need to break that. I'm gonna pick up the stuff from Home Depot. I'll see y'all when I get back. What's going on, everybody? You ready to see the most hillbilly shit you've seen all year? I've got a canopy. I've got a bed sheet. I got some baling twine I used to tie the bed sheet to the canopy. I got a 5-gallon bucket full of water to hold down the bed sheet that I've got tied to the bucket that's tied to the canopy. And that's over top the truck. And then, to step in here, I got half a trash pad on my bumper. Because that was before I bought some tape and drape. Here's the tape and drape. Here's some tape. There's some tape and drape. Here's the stuff I used to put the tape and drape on. My truck looks like a big ass trash bag. But, you know what, guys? We is ready for paint. I bought a tack cloth. What else did I buy? Bought a tack cloth, and I bought one of these thingies because I heard you're not supposed to breathe in spray paint. It's like bad for you or something. I ain't never heard that before. Guys, I'm gonna tell you one thing. If y'all have a garage, whew, try not to cuss here. Thank somebody that you got a garage, because I thought I had an upgrade because I went from a dirt driveway to some concrete. Well, Mother Nature hates me because it is like 20-mile-an-hour winds out here right now. Hasn't been windy all day. I'm about to spray and it's windy. What are the odds of that? So I'm gonna wipe down with the tack cloth. I'm gonna take some degreaser. I'm gonna wipe down with that, and we don't go from there. I'm gonna try and record what I can. Me painting, it might not come out too good, but we don't get after it, guys. What I'm letting it do now is just go ahead and dry. The thing with doing this is you don't want to just repaint the whole fender. What you want to do is sand down that cracked clear coat, get it to where it's all smooth, and then you just want to go over and cover it with whatever base it is so you can't see that cracking clear coat anymore. And then once that dries, you come over and you spray it with the 2K clear coat. Let me show you the 2K. Now what this is, no, it's really a small can, but 2K Rapid Clear. What this has is it has a hardener that you activate on the bottom once you're ready to use it, but you can only, where's it at? You have 14 hours to use the whole entire can after you activate it, or else it is no good anymore. It's not like Rust-Oleum 2 times the coverage or whatever, where people get confused between that and this. This has a hardener in it. This is like what people spray out of a spray gun to spray clear. It's a 2-part clear. It's got the normal clear coat and it's got a hardener in it that activates it. So what we're doing right now is we're waiting for this to dry. Once it dries, then we can go ahead and spray clear. If you see how this is rolled right here, that's because I don't want a hard edge. Because I'm going to have to blend this, so I don't want any hard lines anywhere. Now, everything looks really even to me. I had a burn through mark right in here somewhere where I burnt through the base into the primer. It looks like I got that covered. You can't really see any of the clear coat cracking anymore. And that's what I was looking for. And then tomorrow, I'll have to come out here and I'll have to compound and polish it. I could wet sand it, but I'm like afraid to wet sand it. I'll just compound it and polish it and get it nice and shiny, matching the rest of the truck. That's what I want. I just want it to look decent for Daytona, guys. Like, it ain't gotta be nice. I just don't want to like be driving the Daytona and have like this super like decent looking truck. See what I did there? Thought I was gonna say nice. So, I don't really think it's nice. A lot of people think it's nice, but I guess it's because I have such high standards for it that I don't think it's nice. I just wiped it down with a tack cloth. As you can see, it's all one color now. You can't even tell where that clear coat was fading. Where that clear coat was fading. Now I'm gonna activate this hardener. I'm gonna get to spraying this. Alright, shake for 2 minutes, flip over, bam, shake for another 2 minutes. Alright, so get to shaking. If you're wondering what the hell is going on, I am waiting for this clear to officially dry. I know it looks like ass right now, but once this fully dries, I have to wait about 3 days and then I can compound it. I thought I could compound after 24 hours. I was wrong. I just looked it up a lot more because I don't want to mess this up. There's a couple imperfections that I hope will come out with compound. Like up here it looks like super good. Like looks like straight up clear. It looks better on camera, so I'm like, heck yeah. But like so much orange peels in that. I'm hoping that'll come out with compound. I did everything the can said, so see, like all the people that roasted me about the Rust-Oleum thing, about overspray, I did it. Overspray travels. Like this is where that trash bag was. I get it. There's a such thing as overspray. Y'all are killing me on that Rust-Oleum video. At least if you're gonna like comment and be like mean, at least hit the subscribe button. That way when I cry myself to sleep at night, I can at least fall asleep. Truck no longer has a messed up clear coat. Color is not exactly the same, you can tell. This side's newer than the other. Of course it's got that faded spray paint color to it. But once this hardens, it'll change color a little bit. I still have this faded color. Thank y'all for watching. I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna do the whole giveaway video. Y'all have already watched that, but I'm not gonna do that now. But I'll pick y'all back up in a couple days and I'm gonna compound and polish this. Thanks y'all. Just thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Here's 24 hours since the fender has been painted. I know it's not shiny like over here, because over here you can no longer see me. But it's a whole lot better than what it was. Today is 24 hours since I painted it. I read online you're supposed to wait a minimum of 24 hours, so tomorrow will be about 48 hours. And I think that is good to start polishing and everything. So I'm going to buy a rubbing compound tomorrow. We're going to compound it and polish it. What's up everybody? We're back. We're polishing the fender today. Let me show you what I've got. So we're going to start off with some wet or dry sandpaper. I'm going to be wet sanding. I talked to one of my coworkers. He said he'd use 2000 or 2500. So I'm going to go from 2000 to 2500. Then Midwire's rubbing compound. And then Midwire's polishing compound. I've used the polish before. I just went and picked this up, and I just went and picked this up. Get you guys a before shot of the fender. You can tell how dull it is. You can kind of see some reflection right in here. Super dull. Kind of have a reflection there. A little bit more of a reflection, but still very dull. Hey everyone, so this is where I'm at. You can tell there's a difference. This is factory, this is my paint job. I've compounded, polished, I've wet sanded. From what it was to now is a lot better. It's a whole lot better than what it was, guys, so I'm happy about that. If you're wondering how to fix cracking clear coat, it's not a permanent fix. You're not going to get the factory like shine like this to where you can see my reflection in the hood of the truck. You're not going to get anything like that, but this is what it looked like in the beginning. This is what it looks like now. You guys, remember, this was all cracking and discolored. This was cracking up here and discolored. Now it's all one even color. It's got shine to it. Thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned for Friday's video when you see the new lights go in. Catch y'all then.